we going?
Toronto.
And what are we doing in Toronto? And what time of morning is it?
7:30.
And what time did you have to get up?
5:30.
Wow. Is it worth it?
Oh yeah.
You like being a model?
Definitely.
What do you say to your parents?
Thank you.
What do you say, Dad?
Here's the Canadians
Here,
with the
Emma.
model bus.
Alright. Hi, how was the modeling gig?
Awesome.
How did it go?
Fabulous.
Can you look closer to the camera so we can see? Alright, so what all did you do?
Well, first we got there, and then I picked up my outfits. Then after, I went into hair and makeup, and then we went outside and shot me in a green coat with a houndstooth, like, sweater underneath. That looks really awesome. And then after, I went back into hair and makeup, and then we went around this upcoming place. Like, it's hard to explain. I went in a corner. That's how it went. And then we took some really cool shots there. And then after, I went into hair and makeup again. And then we took some more shots.
So now that you're in Toronto right now, you're in Toronto. You're in Toronto. Look at this. Woo, big city. What have you seen today for winter coat wear?
I have seen some amazing coats today. I'm just in awe right now. I'm wearing a white one and it has really cool pattern. It's woolly, it's cute, soft. It's very nice, very nice. And everything is amazing out here. I love it. Fashion, it's great.
See anything for your fans?
Nope, but keep adding me as friends and voting.
And we'll see you soon.
Okay, bye.